Asset visibility solutions for the energy industry. In the large and geographically dispersed environments of the energy industry, asset tracking can be a highly labor-intensive and costly process. But the use of radio frequency identification and the Internet of Things can automate the tracking of everything from consumable supplies and safety equipment to trucks, cranes, tools, parts, and even drill bits, from the moment of arrival in your facility to the end of life. Tracking begins at the receiving dock with mobile or handheld RFID readers, where assets are immediately identified, entered into your system, and visible in your inventory. Now, no matter what your workers need, from tools and parts to equipment and more, the exact location is never more than a few keystrokes away. Barcode labels present serious limitations where harsh operational and environmental conditions are the norm, and the line-of-sight requirements force workers to manually scan each and every item. The result is still a phenomenally manual, time-consuming, and expensive effort, all contributing to infrequent inventory takes. Smartx provides complete enterprise visibility over a single unified solution, combining a wide variety of location, status, and condition information about valuable mobile assets, whether in indoor manufacturing halls, outdoor yards, or other harsh production environments. Smartx Hub Industrial Internet of Things solution combines various sources of data, including active and passive radio frequency tags, GPS, wearables, advanced sensors, and even barcode into a single web cloud-based platform. Core benefits. From exploration and production to drilling and refining, RFID can help companies streamline business processes to better protect the health of the business by driving lean manufacturing and automating logistic processes, increasing employee efficiency, increasing the automation of product movement and supply, ensuring optimal use of all assets, reducing inventory carrying costs, protecting against unplanned downtime, ensuring cost-effective regulatory compliance, and improving employee safety. Contact us now for more information or a complete demo.